Oh yeah.
Blind money cooking. Hey, bro. Forgive me. Yo, that's my thing. I'm an African boy. I do my thing. I cook it for my sisters. I cook it for my bro. I cook it for my family. That's my little sister. Love this Christmas.
What's up? Let's see.
And that's my bro, man, Mr. Guy.
Let's see.
You got Black Mighty together, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. When anybody,
Okay, what's going on?
when anybody wants to disturb me, when I cook in here, I cook it for my family, and it tastes good. I know that. I don't taste it. I don't eat it, but I know it tastes good. You think the same? Say I think so. Say I think so. I think so.
I think so.
I love you. That's right. That's right. That's
why I see you get money. Big rocks in the club, motherfucker, push your dough like.
Right. I'll give me the beat for my cooking bread. Cooking on the black, cooking on that motherfucker from the track. Chewing on me down, stealing on the big rough, holding, killing on the dose of soul like cold. Hell over me, treating like a beat.